Hi guys, today I picked up quite something interesting for me. It's as my new project. That's Apple Macintosh Performa 575, a little computer. I believe it's a 12. Looks like it's a 12-inch diagonally low screen. Also has a CD drive and floppy drive. It's kind of weird. It has only one eject button, and looks like the eject button for CD drive, but then of course floppy drive is supposed to be have inject button as well. Maybe it's electric power it or so, I mean, for injecting. Anyway, it's kind of looks alright. I mean, it's in a decent shape. It looks like been dropped recently, because this corner, you can tell, is kind of fresh busted, and previous owner didn't have a missing piece, because I thought if they do have, I can glue it back after repairing the restoration. Pretty much the story of this computer, it doesn't power anymore. It used to run very well, but then something's happened, no one knows, and it quit working. Let me turn around and show you how it looks behind. Pretty much power connector, I mean power wire goes in, a power switch right here, on off, then keyboard and mouse connector, printer, modem, SCSI external hard drive, microphone, and speakers. Also has a couple slots, looks like it can be open for something, I'm not sure. Then one tip like that is busted. It's kind of difficult to say, maybe even still inside. Then also a little grid cooling vents is busted. Otherwise it's kind of in a good condition. Also this guy has own speakers, looks like, then has brightness control and volume control. Also has headphone jack or so, and that little open kind of like a window, it's probably for microphone. I'm pretty sure there's a microphone built. When I pick it up, it's kind of, I was really surprised to discover it comes with mouse, single button. I'm not sure if that's the original one. It's probably owner said it's the original one, but also he mentioned it, this computer was manufactured early 90s or like 93 or so, with single button mouse. It's kind of like really old technology. One thing I kind of really like it, the way mouse it doesn't plug to monitor, I mean the computer behind. There's no connector. It plugs to a keyboard. Pretty much it's like a daisy chain. Keyboard also, this little guy is busted. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, it's probably a button, because it has an arrow right there, a little tiny one. Probably the button. Maybe kind of like return, but return is right here. I'm not really sure. I have to open it and see what's going on. The keyboard all around, it looks in a pretty good shape. It's dusty, it's dirty a little bit, but I mean, besides that guy needs to be fixed. It still has original legs. I mean that extension thing. Well, what it's gonna do, it's gonna open it, at least the back cover was let me unplug it, and I was gonna open this guy, see how inside looks. I mean, anything like that, I usually try to open it to see how much dust there or any kind of stuff which can cause more damage than radius. If there's too much dust, before even we plug it to power, we should clean it, at least blow it with a compressor or so, to make sure the less thing which can go wrong. It's, I mean, we will have to prevent before we power it. The thing is, I'm not good with electronics, I mean very well, and pretty much if I can prevent to go something bad instead ruining, then I will have more opportunity to fix it. Okay, let's see. Actually, yeah, I better leave it like that. Let me open it, that little door, and we can take a quick look if that's the door unveils something. It have to. There's one screw. I mean, the thing is, I don't know much anything about those old computers. Yeah, it's gonna be difficult because one tap is already busted. Oh, okay. And if I name it some components kind of in the wrong way, I apologize, because I'm not, like I said, it's my first Apple Macintosh Performa. Oh, you know what? Look like that motherboard. It's made to slide out. But here's the hard drive. Oh yeah, holy crap. It's dusty like hell. I'm glad I did to pull it out. Wow, the motherboard actually is pretty small. It has a memory. Look like it's a 3-slot memory. And they all already fill up. It's kind of difficult to say what exactly. There's a Motorola processor. You know what? I better clean it, wash it, that board. Oh, right here is the tip. That's a broken tip. And look like it's kind of fresh, busted mark. Yeah, I have to wash it, clean it. That's a clock battery. Look like it's almost 9-volt battery, but twice longer. Well, a little bit longer, like a ½ inch longer or so. Wow, look at guys. It's holding on a Velcro, and that's come like that from factory, from Apple. And yeah, dusty like hell. I'm glad I did open it before I power it. Well, basically, like I said, I mean, it's gonna open it, power it. Also, you can tell some moisture did get in. Maybe it was someone spit something on it, because it's rusted. And inside, oh, actually here you don't can see much. I thought you will see monitor. It's covered with plastic. Hard drive, I doubt I can pull it out really easy. Yeah, no, the hard drive, I need to figure out how to pull it out. Anyway, I was gonna try to clean it. Yeah, because like I said, the motherboard is pretty bad. On the back side it's actually nice and clean, but this side it's really bad. Basically what it's gonna do, it's gonna clean it as best I can. Then I mean, outside I was gonna wipe it, make sure it's not as dusty as right now, because you guys can see how much dust is. And then we will try it power it and see how lucky we are if it will power. Well guys, that's a part 1, kind of short video. I hope you guys do enjoy it. If you do, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will really appreciate.